your name, sweetie?
I'm Carly Rose Sonnenclair.
How old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
Oh. So what are you going to sing for us today?
I'm going to sing Feeling Good by Nina Simone.
Whoa. Wow. Can I ask you something? Did you rehearse?
Yes.
And you picked that song yourself?
Yes, I did.
All right, well, best of luck.
Thank
Good luck to you.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean. Oh, to leap in peace when day is done, that's what I mean. And this old world is a new world and a bold world for me. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling so good. Stars when you shine, you know how I feel. Scent of the pines, you know how I feel. Oh, freedom is all mine, and I know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Yes, I'm feeling good. Feeling good.
Wow. Miss Bang, you are a little diva.
Thank you.
You were unbelievable. You were amazing. I was not expecting that, and you can see all of us completely are in love with you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, my God. Honey, you may be 13, but your soul is old.
That's not you singing.
No, it's not.
Somebody is behind you, behind the screen, singing that song.
I promise.
Okay, well, I'm going to need a lot of proof here, Carly, because let me tell you, a star has just walked out on that stage. And I'm with you. You have soul. I really, really, really like you.
Thank you.
I want to buy your music right now.
Thank you.
You know what? You're also really, really confident.
Yeah.
And it's like effortless for you, which blows my mind because you're only 13.
Okay, Carly, still the important part to come. Drum
Okay.
roll. LA, yes or no?
Oh, my goodness. You know what? I love what you said. Remember this day, everybody. A star is born. It's a yes.
Brittany?
Oh, definitely yes.
Demi?
I'm obsessed. Yes.
Okay, Carly, 4,833 yeses.